Title: Nature versus Nurture. Before you ever spoke your first word, before the world learned your name, a quiet argument had already begun. It wasn't loud. But not destiny. A child learning to walk, science tells us something extraordinary. Your brain is not fixed. It is plastic, adaptable, responsive. Experiences physically reshape neural pathways. Trauma can carve fear into the mind. Safe exposure. Resilience may grow from adversity or break beneath it. Neither force works alone. And then what were you taught? And what will you choose to become now that you know? Because the most powerful force shaping a human life is not nature alone, not nurture alone. It's awareness. And with awareness, the story is still being written.